Hey guys, I hope you're all doing good. I am so excited to come to you with a video today discussing all things REFY Skin Finish. I am so excited to finally be able to show you guys this product and tell you exactly how I like to use it. I've been using REFY Skin Finish as part of my makeup routine for honestly the longest time, and it has been a complete game changer. I love using this product to go in and set my makeup in place. It also gives that gorgeous blurring effect on your skin, but still leaves your skin looking like gorgeous natural skin, which is just incredible. It's a water-based powder and it's amazing for also going in and just reducing any pores and fine lines for that gorgeous skin finish. We decided to develop Skin Finish because I could never find anything which didn't leave my skin looking too matte or too dry when applying a powder. I wanted something that looked super hydrated on the skin and also felt hydrating. As I said before, this powder is actually water-based, which is so incredible, and this is what ensures that gorgeous natural skin-like finish. This product is so amazing for going in and removing any unwanted areas of shine and also just reducing pores, fine lines, and giving that gorgeous blurring effect to your skin, and as I keep saying, but keeps your skin looking like natural skin. So I'm going to go in and show you guys the product now. So it's so important that when you are done using Skin Finish that you go back in and apply the lids. So I'm taking off the first lid here, and then we also have this inner lid just in there, and this is what ensures your product will not dry out. So it's really important that you apply both of these when you're done using. And then on the inside here is where we have all of the powder, and we also have this mesh insert here, so it makes it super easy when picking up your product because you only need the tiniest amount. So in REFY Skin Finish we have two shades. I wear shade 01, this one here. This shade is perfect for people with more of a yellow undertone skin, which I would say I am. And then we have shade 02, which is perfect for people with more of a pinky undertone skin. But when applied, both are translucent, but it just depends on your skin undertone. If you guys need any help with picking your shade, then make sure you head over to refybeauty.com and you can see my insane models, and this will help you when picking your shade. Next up in this collection, guys, is the REFY Beauty Sponge. This is it here. Look how cute it is. I am obsessed. So this is so amazing for applying your skin finish. It was designed perfectly to work with a skin finished water-based powder. And as I said, the powder is water-based, so you do not need to dampen your sponge when applying. It works best when you use it dry. I love to use REFY Skin Finish just to go over my face makeup, especially REFY Face Collection. This was designed to work perfectly with this collection. It's amazing for going in and, as I said, giving that gorgeous natural skin finish, but also holding your makeup in place, so it's a must-have for me. I'm going to show you guys now how much I like to use. I'm just taking the smallest amount now using my beauty sponge, and to show you guys, as you can see, I've just got the tiniest bit of product on there. That is all you need when going in, and this product is actually buildable. So depending on your desired look, you can go in and build up if you want more of a matte finish, or you can just use the tiniest amount just to set your makeup. So I like to apply Skin Finish just in my areas where I don't want as much shine. So that tends to be under my eyes, a little bit on my forehead, just around my nose and down onto my chin, and I literally just dab this onto my skin to create that look, and it honestly just gives that gorgeous blurred natural skin look. It's incredible, guys. So in my makeup routine, I love to go in first and do my REFY Face Collection. So I'll go in with the REFY Cream Bronzer, then I'll go in with the REFY Cream Blush, and then my next step is REFY Skin Finish, just to go in and set this and give that flawless finish. And then finally, I love to go in with the gloss highlight to complete my glowy skin look. So as always with all of REFY's collections, this collection is also vegan, cruelty-free, and all the packaging is fully recyclable. If you guys do need any help with shades, then make sure you check out refybeauty.com. You can see all my gorgeous models, and that'll help you when picking your shade. This collection is now available also to shop at refybeauty.com. So I hope you guys are gonna love Skin Finish as much as I do. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all very soon.